So this is your strands under a microscope before Olaplex, after Olaplex. This is no lie. This is not marketing, son. This is tea. This is real deal. Hey boo, it's Beverly with Hairscripts, and today we're going to do something very different. We're going to go shopping on Amazon today, guys, and we're going to talk about the best natural hair products for healthy hair, okay? So let me preface this video by saying a few things before we jump in and go shopping. And I know I'd like to talk and hear myself talk, but just hear me out, okay? Number one is these are the best products for hair growth and your healthy hair journey, okay? These are not the best stylers. These are not the best wash and go products, the best gels for your best poppin'est curls, your best twist outs and braid-ins. This is not that video. If you want that video, please comment down below and let me know if you want a video about the best products or the best stylers, okay, for natural hair. Number two, no, these products, not all of them or some, are not Black owned. These are just the holy grail products that you should have in your starter kit for healthy hair. In this channel or on this channel, I talk a lot about healthy hair, scalp health, hair growth, you know, reversing hair loss, because I was diagnosed with female pattern hair loss back in 2019. And I pretty much went on a whole journey. I connected with the dermatologist. They created a whole hair growth plan for me to regrow my hair. So everything that I share on this channel are the things that I pretty much went through on my journey and was a part of my hair growth plan. If you want more details about my specific growth plan, please visit the reverse hair loss in 60-day video where I talk about my exact hair growth plan. But anyway, in this video, we're gonna talk about the things, the must-haves that you need to go on Amazon now, okay? Right now, and get for your healthy hair journey, okay? So let's jump right in, okay? So let's start with my number one, my GOAT, and I talk about her everywhere. And yes, you see her Nutrafol, okay? So I'm not gonna go into like in depth with this video. In this video, we're literally just going shopping and we're gonna throw things in my shopping cart. And I probably have a few of these things already in my shopping cart, so bear with me. But in this video, we're literally just gonna give you kind of like the synopsis. So Nutrafol, if you don't know, is pretty much a supplement for hair growth. It's a hair growth supplement, okay? Right here it says for thicker, stronger hair, 4 capsules per day. This is a 1-month supply. Yes, it does. It does retail at $88, as Auntie Jackie would say, but it is absolutely worth your money and your time. So if you can't swallow pills, pause. You can open the capsule and you can pour it into your smoothie if you take a smoothie every single day. They have a whole list of reasons and you can read it while I talk, but I like to summarize things and make it super, super duper easy. Basically, these are the GOAT because these are great for thickening your hair. If you want thicker hair, you want to take Nutrafol, okay? If you're dealing with thinning, if you're dealing with excessive shedding, this is the one for you because Nutrafol deals with hair loss on several different levels. If there are 10 reasons for hair loss, Nutrafol deals with all 10 because of all the proprietary stuff that it has inside of it. Like I said, I'm not going to go into too much detail. I do have a video about the best dietary supplements or the best vitamins that every girl should have. Go click on that video because it's going to really go in depth, like in detail about Nutrafol. But just know that it was clinically proven. Right here it tells you 86% of women reported improved hair growth and 84% saw stronger hair after 6 months. Sis, it is the truth. I've been taking Nutrafol for a long time now, and it has definitely changed my hair growth game. It has accelerated my hair growth game. If you want your hair growth game to accelerate, please go with Nutrafol. So I don't know if I dropped it in my bag. I'm gonna assume that I already did, but we'll do it again just for peep's sake. So here we go. I'm only doing a one-time purchase. If you want to subscribe, that's on you. I'm not selling subscription services. So add to cart. Boom. So what's the next product that we're going to get? Okay, the next product that we're going to get is making big noise for big reasons. And I promise you they absolutely do work. And that is Veganmore hair growth serum. Okay. Like I said, and if I didn't say it, let me say this. Like I said, these may not be Black owned products, And they're not stylers. These are literally scalp health products. So Veganmore Grow Density Boosting Hair Serum with dropper. Hold on now, stop it. With dropper, natural DHT inhibitor, plant-based, vegan, cruelty-free, volumizing formula, strengthens and thickens for healthy hair growth. Yes, it is 1 ounce. Yes, it is $52. But let me tell you what is very powerful about this hair growth serum. It has DHT blocker in it. Okay, let me explain. If you don't know what a DHT blocker is, a DHT blocker is the death of every follicle. DHT is a derivative of testosterone and is going to kill your hair follicles. It is the #1 leading hormone or cause for male pattern baldness. So men that are going bald, they have very high levels of DHT. It is more common than you think, especially in men, and it is also common in some women. So the reason why you don't want DHT is because it literally suffocates your follicle. This is your follicle, and DHT over time just completely like literally chokes the crap out of your follicle to the point where now it's bald, it's shiny. Nothing is gonna ever grow out of it. It kills your follicle, leading to permanent baldness, okay? This inhibits DHT from working, meaning it stops DHT from working. So here goes DHT trying to break into the house, and here go Veganmore standing in front of the house like, you better not even try to come in here. And I got a gun, and what? That's Veganmore, okay? So I'm telling you, a little goes a long way. This is not to seal your ends. This is not for your LOC method. This is not for your lock method, LCO if you like me. You know, this is literally, you drop it into your scalp. You know, for me, like if you want to do it every day because you're aggressive, that's great. But if you finally got yourself to a good place and you just want to apply this to your scalp once a week, perfect, okay? So now let me drop this in my bag. Oh, shoot, they out of stock. That's how good they are, y'all. I'm not lying. They're out of stock, so I gotta wait till February 9th, okay? Anyway, so the next one is, make sure you snap that in your brain because I can't put it in my thing. All right, so Purador or Puradoro, however way you pronounce this John. Shout out to Philly, okay? Now, this is the one that I like. Now, if you know me, you know that I'm not a biotin girl. I'm not a fan of biotin. I don't care for biotin, especially high levels of biotin, and I'll explain why. Biotin is guilty of causing acne breakouts. If you have acne-prone skin, if you are like me and you're one of those girls that, you know, your sebum production just be doing the most for no reason. Okay, let me do this since it wants to do it so bad. Your sebum be wanting to do the most for no reason, then you absolutely do not want biotin, not high concentrated levels of it. Now, the reason why I don't mind this is because it's not super concentrated and it's a shampoo and conditioner. It's not gonna sit on your head all day. That's why I'm not gonna put liquid biotin on my scalp. That's why I'm not gonna take biotin pills or take pills that have high concentrations of biotin, because that stuff goes into your bloodstream. It delivers it to your follicles, and it also delivers it to your pores and everywhere else, and your sebum is gonna start acting real crazy. And biotin has other side effects that we're not gonna get into here. Okay, that's high concentrations of it. Now, if there's biotin in your pills right now, your vitamins, don't stress, it's not enough, okay? This is a shampoo and conditioner, meaning it doesn't have high concentrations of biotin, but 2, it's also literally gonna be washed off immediately, washed off, you know what I'm saying? So that's why it doesn't bother me. Now, this is also clinically proven to thicken your hair. So let's see what it says here. Anti-thinning shampoo, effective solution for thinning hair. Again, sis, this is for you if you have thinning. I had a lot of thinning, so a lot of the products that I am going to recommend are anti-thinning products. For me, I'm already a 3C girl, which means I naturally have finer hair. The oils on my head naturally already makes my hair look a little more stringier, especially when it's straight after time. So, and it's not a fresh blowout or fresh silk press. So my point is, you know, with me, I was dealing with thinning because I had some higher levels of DHT because I had androgenic alopecia, aka female pattern hair loss. So I always went for things that were going to give me density, that was going to increase my cells, that were going to proliferate my hair follicles. Okay, going back into the point, it has all these great things in it. I'm sure you read it because I left it on there on purpose so that you can read it. So let's move down and let's see what they say. You know, this is good for you if you need thinning therapy or anti-thinning therapy. You want to improve your hair's appearance, protect and strengthen, which is good for length retention. Okay, you need to strengthen your strands, sis. Otherwise, your inches ain't going to inch. Okay, they are going to get to that plateau that they've been getting to for the last 10 years of your life. And you know what I'm talking about. And you know that I'm talking to you. And then what's going to happen is, unfortunately, you're going to have to keep clipping your ends and it's never going to grow. That's what's going to happen. So you need something that's going to strengthen your hair. Our key active ingredients such as biotin, argan oil, and 17 plus DHT herbal proprietary blend protect your hair from further damage caused by external factors that leads to thinning. At the same time, these ingredients strengthen the hair shaft and cleanse the scalp, improving the overall health of your hair. Yes, that sounds great. Let me see. This talks about the formula, 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Let me see. If you are unsatisfied with our hair thickening shampoo, let us know and we will give you a full refund. Okay. Excuse me, but you must be real confident. You must be real cocky, because a sister like me will absolutely ask for my money back if I'm not happy. But I won't and I don't, because I personally use this one and I'm telling you right now, yes, it is dope, okay? This is no lie. This is not marketing. It absolutely works, okay? So I'm gonna add that to my cart. So the next product, because we, of course, we need hair supplements for our starter kit, for our healthy hair starter kits. Of course, we need a shampoo and conditioner because we got to cleanse our scalp every week. And of course, you're going to need a serum, right? A growth serum. But now, what do you do after you shampoo and condition? Sis, you already knew. You need a deep conditioner. And this one is the GOAT. Now, I'm telling you right now with Olaplex. Now, I'm talking about the number 3, the repairing treatment, but Olaplex, I'm gonna just be honest with you. This is a dope brand. They put a lot of research and development into their products, and a lot of, listen, you're gonna get great ingredients, concentrated ingredients with Olaplex. I am really, really on the Olaplex thing right now. My dermatologist recommended it to me and I have not gone back, okay? So this is not just me. Listen, I'm gonna tell y'all right now, I am too small of a channel. Ain't nobody checking for me. So none of this is sponsored. None of it, okay? Nobody even cares if I'm talking about them. They're already big. So you wanna listen to me right now before I start getting big and I start getting those little checks from these brands. Right now, everything is from the heart. Everything is stuff that I literally do on my own. And yes, while there is an affiliate link down below, meaning I'll get some pennies if you decide to go ahead and click on this link. Like I said, it's really not a big deal to me because I'm not a big channel and no one is checking for me like that. So you have the unculturated, unadulterated tea, okay? Anyway, back to the point. Olaplex, I like Olaplex number 3. Now there's a whole lot of different ones, and Olaplex is Olaplex. You go into their store and pick the one that is best for the results or best for the goals that you're trying to reach. But let me just read their little stuff. Their description says it's a hair perfector repairing treatment. Benefits is repair damaged hair and broken bonds with Olaplex. Suggested to use once weekly as needed. Yes, this is a deep conditioning treatment. You're going to use it as you use any deep conditioner. Like I said, and for those of you girls who might be a little curious, right? Let's look. I'm not going to go through all their stuff, but I'm talking about their deep conditioner, because the deep conditioner, you're going to leave that in your hair and it's really going to start to repair your hair. We're talking about not just strength therapy and collagen therapy and bonding treatments, but we're also talking about repair. Listen, my curls have started popping a lot more since using Olaplex, okay? Because whatever they put in there is strengthening the bonds of your hair so well that it's also tightening those curls. Please don't say I ain't tell you, okay? They're big, but I don't know how big they really, really are. Let me go back. I don't know how super big they are, but I'm just telling you right now, sis, while not everybody knows, run, don't walk. Now this one is the $28, but I just want to make sure it's the same thing, because I'm seeing that this is, okay, this comes with the hair treatment build. So I guess this is a 2-for-1, and then this is the one. I literally just go for this one. Again, you do what you want. If you want to go with the whole, with the pair, okay? Now, let me just, I want to show you something too. I want to show you something. Let's move down a little bit. You know how, is it this? Is it this? No, it's, oh, look, it's, oh, wow, it's showing you wow, I should have did this. I should have been did this, came down. Look at what they're showing you. Olaplex works on a molecular level to repair damaged and broken bonds in the hair that are caused by chemical, thermal, and mechanical damage. So this is your strands under a microscope before Olaplex, after Olaplex. This is no lie. This is key benefits: repairs damaged and compromised hair, strengthens and protects hair structure, restores healthy appearance and texture. This is not marketing, son. This is tea. This is real deal. And that's why it is expensive, because I'm telling you right now, my curls have gotten tighter since using this, okay? And you want your curls to spiral, honey. So I'm gonna add to cart. Now, let's move on to the last but not least. We all need in our healthy hair kit, our starter kit, we all need a leave-in conditioner, okay? And Giovanni has been the GOAT, the GOAT, the greatest of all time for eons, for years, okay? They're not new to the block. They're not, this is not no influencer marketing stunt, okay? They didn't just show up here. They've been here and they've been holding it strong, okay? So Giovanni, and I'm talking about the leave-in conditioner. Now they have a conditioner that's dope as well, the shampoo and conditioner, all that stuff. I'm talking about the leave-in conditioner is everything. Let them tell you why, okay? Moisturizing hair care. We need moisture in our hair. And even if you're a 3C chick with me with excessive sebum production, you still need to moisturize them curls, because them curls, when my hair is straight, that's when the oils like to go all the way down. But girl, when my hair is curly, because I'm a low porosity chick, that stuff be dry AF. I'm like, really? Really? So my oils is just gonna sit up there because they don't want to come down. So you need a nice moisturizer. You need a leave-in conditioner, especially when you're in your natural state, curly state, kinky state, whatever state, coily state. Yes. Moisturizing hair care, Giovanni Direct Leave-In Weightless Moisture Conditioner restores, strengthens, and lusters to damaged and abused hair. It deep conditions while it's in your hair. It's color safe. It's vegan and cruelty-free, sulfate and paraben-free. Listen, let me see if I don't want to miss out on no tea. So let's move down. I should have went to the other ones, but we already at 16 minutes, y'all. So innovating hair care, botanical extract, luxurious, cruelty-free, all this good stuff. All this. Screenshot it, y'all. Screenshot it so you can read it on your own time. Giovanni is the GOAT. We already know this. This is a curly girl's best friend. They've been rocking with curly girls before being a curly girl was a thing, okay? And again, or natural girl, or kinky, coily. Let me tell you again, yes. These are these are not black owned. These may not be, and these are not styling products. This is the last product, by the way. So let me add this to my cart and I'm gonna tally it up. It's not gonna be a full tally. It's not gonna be a good tally because the Veganmore was out of stock. So Veganmore was $56. So whatever our total is, you take that up. You hold on, because I think I had something in here that was, I had 2 Nutrafuls in here. So let's just move this to 1. And I have a spray. I had to re-up because I broke the last one, y'all. I did a little bit too much. So let's just, my spray bottle. So to recap, the Nutrafol, the Puridol, Biotin, the Olaplex number 3, and the Giovanni leave-in conditioner. Now this is a pack of 3, so maybe the other, it's only $23 for a pack of 3. I might leave that one. But if you want a pack of 1 and it's a little cheaper, fine. But $23 for 3 leave-in conditioners that are 8 ounces, Giovanni. So add $56. So add $56 to this, which is the Veganmore, because they were out of stock. And hold on, because I'm gonna need a calculator. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I'm not a mathematician, and simple math is not that simple to me. It's just really not. So y'all already came up with it, but I'm gonna tell you right now. So your grand total is going to be about $240, okay? But it's going to be worth it. It's an investment that is absolutely worth it. Sis, don't say I didn't tell you. This is $240, and this is going to last you about, let me see, everything on here is going to last you about a month, and probably with the Giovanni and the Olaplex, it may go a little further because a little goes a long way. You do not need to douse yourself in this stuff because these, again, are not stylers. These are simply for healthy hair. Again, sis, don't say I ain't tell you. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, subscribe, do all of that stuff. Share with your friends. Go and purchase this right here. Maybe I should link the whole damn shopping cart down below if I could. I don't know. But I'm just telling you right now, run, don't walk to Amazon. Get these products. You will thank me. They will save your hair health and your hair growth life accelerated. not on Cap, okay? On Mary Had a Little Lamb. Thank you.